Welcome students. Today we are going to start our chapter number first of computer science paper first, as we have discussed in last period. So chapter first we are going to study computer science paper first, chapter first. The name of the chapter is number systems and binary arithmetics. So take down chapter number 1, paper first, number systems and binary arithmetics. So this chapter is broadly divided into two parts. First, number systems, and second, binary arithmetics. So what is in my number systems, that we are going to see first. So once again, today we have started computer science paper first, chapter number 1, number systems and binary arithmetics. Now we will start what exactly mean by number systems. So take down this subject name, paper name, chapter name. Okay. Now let us see what exactly mean by number systems. In our daily life, we use the numbers. These numbers are called as decimal numbers. Say, for our calculations, we use the decimal numbers. Your roll number is in decimal numbers. Your exam sheet number, that is in decimal number system. Hall numbers of the class, that is also in decimal number system. Each and everything, the numbers we use, these numbers are called as decimal numbers. Example. Take the example of decimal number system. Say 5, 2, 8. This is the example of a decimal number. Now, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. Digits stand for a single digit, whereas number stand for set of digits. So this is the number which is made up of 3 digits. So question arises, how many digits are there in decimal number system? In decimal number system, there are 10 digits, we know. So in decimal number system, there are 10 digits. What are those? We know that these are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In another word, we can say set of decimal digits. Set of decimal digit. We know set. So this is the set of decimal digits. How many digits are there? There are 10 digits. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is called as decimal digit set or set of decimal digits, where there are 10 digits. And using these 10 digits, we form, we write, we create a number. So these are called as decimal digits. What this is called? decimal digits. And what this is called? Decimal number. So in short, you might have got the digit that is a single digit, whereas number is made up of number of digits. So as this number is there, this number is called as 528. This number is called as a decimal number. What this is called? Number, no doubt it is the number. But more specially this is called as a decimal number. Why it is called as a decimal number? Because it is made up of 3 digits, 5 to 8, and all these 3 digits are coming from digit shape 5 to 8. 5 to 8. So whatever the number is here, 5 to 8, all the digits are coming from this decimal digit set. Thus it is a decimal number. Now since last 2-3 minutes we are calling it a decimal number. Our chapter is number systems. So among that various number systems we are going to study. But very first number system that we are studying, decimal number system. We can say decimal number system or decimal numbers. Terms are decimal numbers. Now look, decimal numbers. Decimal number is a number. Here in example, decimal number 5 to 8 made up of 3 digits, 5 to 8. So these 3 digits are coming from decimal digit set or set of decimal digit. 5 is coming from same set, 2 is also from same set, and 8 also belongs to same set. Thus this number is called as a decimal number. Second thing, here instead of calling 5 to 8, actually what we call? We call 528. 528. It means that to 5 we are calling 500. For 2 we are calling 20. For 8 simply we are calling 8. Now let us suppose one more digit is here. So we can say 1000. It means as the digit increases, it will start from unit place, decade place, then like this, century like this. So unit place, decimal place, decade place, like this. So here what we call this number? We call this number 528. So 5 stand for 500. Here 2 stand for 20. 8 stand for, 2 stand for 20. 8 stand for only 8. Now look, here 500 stand for 5 into 100. 2 stand for 2 into 10. 8 stand for 8 into 1, isn't it? Similarly, in other words, 5 into 10 to the power 2, 2 into 10 to the power 1, 8 into 10 to the power 0. In other words. So, look at this. Look, what it is? Number is a decimal number. 3-digit decimal number. But which do not call it 5 to 8. we call it 528. It means that 5 is having the wattage of 100, 2 is having the wattage of tens, 8 is having the wattage of 1. In other words, 5 is having 10's 2's power, 2 is having 10's first power, 8 is having 10's 0th power, and suppose one more increases, say 3 is there, then what will happen? This 3 will be called 3000, and it will be called 3 into 1000, and that will be 3 into 10 to the power 3. It means as the digit increases, it will be getting 10's power. That is also increasing 10's power. And hence, what the definition of decimal number system we can say? Decimal numbers definition. Decimal numbers, its definition. Decimal numbers. What exactly mean by decimal numbers? So our conclusion is that decimal numbers are the numbers. Decimal numbers are the numbers which are made up of decimal digits. Decimal numbers are the numbers which are made up of decimal digits, and every digit is having 10's power. Every digit is having 10's power, and that is increasing from right to left. So this is the definition that we are going to see. So I think we have one more example we are going to see. Let us scratch it. So what the definition of a decimal number? You can, whatever the discussion we have seen, what the definition we can write, we can define. So you may take down, I am dictating. We are studying chapter number 1, that is number system and binary arithmetics, and we are going, in this chapter we are going to see various number systems. Among that, first number system we have seen, that is decimal number system or decimal numbers. So decimal number systems or decimal numbers terms are same. So what exactly by decimal numbers? Decimal numbers are the numbers. Decimal numbers are the numbers which are made up of decimal digits. Those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 10 digits. And every digit in a decimal number is having 10's power. We have seen. So we are going to see one more example. But I think today might have got what exactly by decimal number system. One more example we can see here. Take the example of one more decimal number. 2, 8, 9. This is also one example of a decimal number. This is also one example of decimal number. How you can say, how you can claim, how you can challenge this one is the decimal number? Because obviously there are 3 digits, 2, 8, 9. All these are the digits coming from, belongs to decimal digit set, and decimal digit set we know 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we call it 289 because 2 stand for 200, 8 stand for 80, and 9 stand for 69. So here 2 into 100, 8 into 10, 9 into 1. In other words, 2 into 10 to the power 2, 8 into 10 to the power 1, or 9 into 10 to the power 0. Conclusion: decimal numbers are the numbers which are made up of decimal digits. Every digit is having 10's power. Now look, 9 is having 10's 0th power. 8 is having 10's first power. 2 is having 10's second power. So definition: decimal numbers are the numbers which are made up of decimal digit. Every digit is having 10's power, increasing from right to left. So I think you have got decimal number system, exactly by decimal number system, and nothing new we have learned. We are studying decimal numbers from our standard first. Then why we are studying decimal number system once again in 11th standard? Answer is that because now onwards we are going to study binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. 3 more number systems we are going to study apart from decimal numbers. That's why decimal numbers once again we have revised. No doubt this is not new for us. Everything we know. But why we have repeated this? Everything we have learned in school. But why we are repeating? Because now we are going to study new number systems also there. Binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. So today decimal numbers is sufficient. I think you have got, and if you don't have, if you having any problem, then you can ask. Thank you.